Hi, my name is Janet. I will show you how easy it is to create your first session. When you have started the Desiqner and logged into your account, you will see the startup window. We will create the session you can see here. To create a new session, click on the New Session button. In the Session tab, enter name, for instance, My First Session, and a description, Session, Easy Level. Then click on the Make New Session button. You can now see that the view changes. The overall session information is in the top left tab, the start of the session is in the bottom, and information, related to the selected stage and step, are on the top right tab. A new session is always created initially with one stage and one step. This step is 1 minute long. The first stage is a warm-up stage, with 6 steps. So, we type warm-up in the description field for stage 1. Set the first step to 5 minutes. Seated position and free cadence. After the 5 minutes, the heart rate percent max target should be 70%, so we set it to 70%. It's always good to save regularly through the creation. Click on Insert New Step to create the next step, which is by default 1 minute, and set the heart rate percent max target to 80%. Standing position and single cadence. Select the second step. Click the button, Copy selected step, and adjust target to 75%. Seated position and free cadence. We have now created the third step, and the session is 7 minutes long. To create the fourth step, select the second step and click the button, Copy selected step. As you can see, the new step is placed right after the copied stage. To rearrange the steps, click and keep left mouse down on the new step, and drag it to the step left for the new wanted position, and release the mouse button. We have now 4 steps in the warm-up stage. To create the last 2 steps, we can either use the Copy Selected Step button, as we just have done, or we can click on the step we want to copy, keep left mouse down and press Shift. Then drag it to the step left for the new wanted position, and release the mouse button. Repeat this procedure to create the last step of the warm-up stage. Congrats! You have now completed your first stage of 10 minutes and 6 steps. Now we will create an active break stage. Click on the button, Insert New Stage, and adjust target to 70%. Set duration to 2 minutes. Seated position and free cadence. To add music to a session, open the Music tab. If you already have chosen the right music folder, click on the Refresh button to update the Music tab with available music from your computer. Otherwise, click on the Music folder icon to select your music folder. Music tracks are related to a specific stage and should fit the duration of the stage. Stage 1 is designed to 10 minutes. We have a track at 10 minutes and 8 seconds, we take that. Now, click, keep the left mouse button pressed on the music track you want to use. To attach this music to the stage you want, drag and drop it to the stages. The music duration is too long, and we are prompted for actions. We select Extend Last Step, and click OK. This ensures that there is no music gap when you play the session in the cardio trainer in your studio. Then, the stage fits the duration of the attached music track. When, or if, the duration of the music track fits the stage duration, you will see a thin green line under the timeline. In the same way, we find the desired music track for the active break stage, drag and drop it with the mouse, and finally adjust the stage length by cut the back to fit music duration. So well done, see, easy to do. Now 2 stages and 12 minutes of your first session. Now with music. Now we'll create the third stage by splitting it up in steps according to the music choreography. Select Stage 2, click on the Insert New Stage button. Then, drag and drop the desired music track to Stage 3 and select the option Extend Last Step. Now, we are ready to listen to the music, and while playing, break the stage into steps according to the choreography. Select the stage and start playing the music by pressing the play button just above the timeline. Set the desired target for Step 1 to 81%, cadence-free, position seated, and start listen to the music. When you are in the desired music position, click the split step in 2 where cursor is, or use the insert button on your keyboard. This create the first step with the set target value, 81%. The padlock must be open, otherwise, this step target will be adjusted to the current target at the cursor position. For the next 2 minutes, we want to keep target at 81%. Listen to the music and split again after yet another 2 minutes. Third step is an active pause step, duration 1 minute, target 70%, cadence free, and position seated. Pause the music and drag the music cursor to the desired position, then click the split step in 2 where cursor is button, and you have created step 3. Continue this approach for splitting up the stage into desired steps according to the music choreography. That is, play music, set target, cadence, and position, and split the step at desired music cursor position. If you click at the split button a bit too far, you can click at the replay last 5 seconds button, then click at the merge selected step with next step button, and redo the split button. I have earlier made this stage 3, and this is my result. Now, we have created 3 stages, and 1 is left. We will create the 4th stage from the library of stages. Open the Copy Stage tab, and select the Interval Block Session. From here, you click on the first stage, drag and drop it in the bottom, at the end of your session. Now, open the Music tab again, select the desired music, drag and drop the music to the stage. Congrats! You have completed your first session. In the header of each block, you can see duration, and average heart rate percentage target, intensity target. In the Session tab, you can see the average target intensity for the whole session. In the Zone Distribution tab, you can see the intensity distribution and time in each zone for the session, selected stage, or selected step. Finalizing your session. When you have completed creation of the session, remember to save by pressing the Save button. It is a good idea, from time to time, to save your session during session creation. It is also a good idea to check that all music attached to the session is okay. Click the Check Music button. If there is an error for a stage, close the dialog box, mark the stage with the error, and click on the Show Options for Adjusting Stage to Music button, and take the necessary action. When you quit the session, you are prompted to save the music attached to the session on the USB stick, which you will need when playing your session in cardio training in your club. Click Yes to export the music to the USB stick.